So, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Satram. So, today we are going to see fourth property of Jacobians. Fourth property of Jacobians means we are going to see how to calculate Jacobian of implicit functions. Okay. So, Jacobian fourth property means Jacobian of Jacobian of implicit. Okay. Jacobian of implicit functions. So, for that, the variables the variables the variables x, y, u and v are connected by implicit functions f1, xy, uv, f2, xy. Let's say 1 and 2. Okay, we have uv are implicit functions of x and y. Okay, x and y. Differentiating 1 and 2 with respect to x and y partially, we get what we get del f1 upon del x plus del f1 upon del u del x plus del f1 del del x is equal to 0. Del f1 del y plus del f1 del u del u del y plus del f1 del v del v del y is equal to 0. Let's see the third. Let's see fourth. Del f2 del x plus del f2 del u del x plus del f2 del v del v del x is equal to 0 and del f2 del y del f2 del u del u del u del x plus del y del f2, del v, del v, del y is equal to 0. Okay. Now now we have del f1, f2, del u v into del u v, let's see, del f1 del u, del f1 del v, del f2 del u, del f2 del v. Okay. Del u, del x, del u, del y, del v, del x, del v, del y. Okay. So what will be this after multiplying? After multiplying, what will be this? Del f1, del u, del u, del x plus del f1, del v, del v of del x, del f1, del u, del u, del y plus del f1, del v, del v, del del f2, del u, del u, del x plus del f2, del v, del v, del x, del f2, del u, del u, del y plus del f2, del v, del v, del y. Now, what is the value of this one? This is the value of del f1 upon del x. What is the value of del f1 upon del y? What is the value of del f2 del x? And this is the value of del f2 del. So what is this actually? This is just Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to x y. So we got. So what we got? Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to UV multiply Jacobian of UV with respect to xy is equal to Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to xy. But one thing is there. This is minus. This is minus here. This is minus. From how we are saying that we got this one. These are values you can find from 3, 4, 5, and 6. We get from 3, 4, 5, and 6 we will get these values. Okay. So this is minus 1 ka square. So this is minus 1 ka square. So we got what we got So Jacobian of UB with respect to x, y is given by Jacobian minus 1 to the power square Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to xy upon Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to u. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, now in general, the variables x1, x2 up to xn are connected with u1, u2 up to un. Implicitly, is f1, x1, x2, xn, u1, u2 up to un equal to 0, f2, x1, x2, xn, u1, u2, un is equal to 0. And so on. Xn, x1, x2, xn, u1, u2, un is equal to 0. Okay. Then we have we have del u1, u2, un, x1, x2, xn is equal to minus 1 to the power n f1, f2, fn Jacobian with respect to x1, x2, xn divided by Jacobian of f1, f2, fn with respect to u1, u2, un. Okay. u1, u2, un, x1, x2, xn minus 1 to the power n. So this is the formula, general formula. Okay. Now we will see some example. Example first. Example 1. If x square plus y square u square minus v square 0 and ub plus xy is equal to 0. Prove that del ub del xy is equal to x square minus y square upon u square plus v square. Solution. So F1 is what? So x square plus y square plus u square minus v square 0 means what? This implies F1 F1 is equal to x square plus y square plus u square minus v square. Okay. So this implies F1 xy u v is equal to x square plus y square plus u square minus v square. And uv plus xy is equal to 0 means what? F2 xy uv is equal to uv plus xy. Okay. Now, what is del f1 del f2 with respect to xy? What is that? Del f1 del x del f1 del y del f1 del del f2 del y del del f2 del x del f2 del y. So del f1 with respect to x, what is it? Is 2x and it is 2y. Del f2 with respect to x, it is y and it is x. Okay. So what is this? 2x square minus 2y square. So it is 2x square minus y square. Now del f1 del f2 with respect to uv del f1 to del u del f1 with respect to v del f2 with respect to u del f2 with respect to v. So derivative of f1 with respect to u, what is there? 2u, and with respect to v minus 2v, and f2 with respect to v u v v or u and u. Okay. So what is this? This is 2u square plus 2v square. So 2u square plus v square by 4. Now by del u p del xy is equal to minus square del f1 f2 with respect to xy divided upon del f1 f2 with respect to u. So minus 1 का square means 1. So what is this? This is x square minus y square. This is q square plus v square. So what is this? So, so what we got? We got uv x square minus y square u square plus v square. So this is 4. Okay. So this is 4. So example 7. If x plus y plus z is equal to u, y plus z is equal to w, y plus z is equal to ub and z is equal to uvw. So that del xy z is with respect to uvw is equal to u square v. What is f1? f1 x f1 is equal to x plus y plus z minus u. f2 is equal to y plus z minus uv and f3 z minus uvw. So del f1 f2 f3 with respect to uvw, what is that? Del f1 with respect to u, del f1 with respect to v, del f1 with del f2 with respect to u, del f2 with respect to v, del f2 with respect to w, del f3 with respect to u, del f3 with respect to v, del f3 with respect to w. So what is del f of del u? Minus 1. And this is 0. And this is also 0. And this is minus v minus u 0. And this is minus vw minus uw minus uv. Okay. So after solving it, what we will get? We will get minus u square b. Okay. Now del f1, f2, f3 is equal to x, y, z. Okay, so what is this? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay. This is 0, this is 1, this is 1. This is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So what is the determinant of this matrix? Is it 1? Now, by this formula, del x y z is equal to del u v w. It is nothing but 1 upon del u v w upon x y z. Now, this formula we know. This formula. What is this formula? This formula is nothing but 1 upon minus 1 to the power 3 del f1 f2 f3 upon x y z del f1 f2 f3 rho v w. Okay. Okay. So we can write it minus 1 to the power 3 means minus. So it is del f1 f2 f3 rho v w upon del f1 f2 f3 with respect to x y z. So what is this value? This value, what is this value? Minus u square b. And what is this value? This value is 1. So u square b. Okay. So we got, what we got? We got del x, y, z with respect to u, v, w, h, u square b. So that is proved now. Okay. So thank you very much. Today's lecture up to this. If you have any comment related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you in next lecture. Okay.